I'm starting this session called Sweaty Saturdays, in which I pick an activity, whether it's hiking, biking, running. But the reason why I chose to do this series is to show you guys how cardio doesn't have to be boring. It doesn't need to be, sprints for 1 hour or be on the treadmill for an hour. It can be as simple as hikes, biking, or even just running. Okay, so finally made it to Silver Falls. It's looking pretty nice out here today. That's exactly what I mean, being able to enjoy the nature on the weekends with family and the community and still burning some calories. You can feel the breeze. It's super windy, super cold. Oh, it's beautiful. Already a mile in, the weather's very nice. I'm able to enjoy the outdoors. Just listen to this. That's peace, that's tranquility, honestly. I definitely meant it when I said sweaty Saturdays. I mean, it's only been, 2 hours and 20 minutes? I definitely know I'm losing some calories for sure. Get some good sweat in, enjoy the view, breathe fresh air. This also helps you clear your mind and just enjoy nature. Enjoy the silence, the rushing water, and overall, it's good for your health.